Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Confirm your Oppo model and color OS version so you know if Wi-Fi will work inside airplane mode. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and pause any active calls or transfers. Now pull down the quick settings shade and tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. Do it immediately to block cellular radios. After that, do not leave the shade yet. Keep control granularity in view so you can re-enable only the radios you want. Once airplane mode is active, your next step is to restore Wi-Fi. Tap the Wi-Fi tile in quick settings to turn it back on. You are intentionally reactivating only that radio. If a network list appears, select your SSID and enter the password, then wait for the connected status. If the tile is not visible, make sure to open settings and navigate to Wi-Fi to enable it manually. This isolates data to Wi-Fi, which prevents cellular usage while keeping internet access. You complete the process by verifying internet, open a browser or app and load a page. Make sure the Wi-Fi icon shows connected. If pages won't load, toggle airplane mode off briefly, then enable it again and re-enable Wi-Fi. This resets radio priorities. If that fails, reboot the phone or restart your router. Those steps clear stubborn conflicts. Finally, if issues persist, check for color OS updates, because a firmware fix may be required to allow Wi-Fi reliably inside airplane mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.